if you look at this question, this is a question which is asked in the JEE. All right, now JEE advanced, this question was asked. See, what is the importance of this question? Can you see? JEE advanced, this is a question coming from log. A question coming from log in the JEE advanced. Question looks really simple, but how to come to this conclusion? You see here all the options you have to keep an eye on. You can see here either the base is 3 or either the base is 2. But here change of base rule is applicable, no problem here. So what we'll do, we'll see here. Now see here. See what we'll do, we'll take log base 3 on both sides. We'll take log base 3 on both sides. So I can say log of base 3 of 3 power x, that is equal to log base 3 of 4 to the power x minus 1. So x log 3 base 3, when the number and the base of logarithm is the same, answer is 1. That is equal to x minus 1 log base 3 of 4. So I can say x is equal to x minus 1. We know this, right? Log a base a. When the number and the base in the logarithm is the same, change of base rule, log a by log a, answer will be equal to 1. So x minus 1. So I can write log to the base 3. 4 can be written as 2 square. So x is equal to x minus 1. According to the power rule of logarithm, log a to the power m can be written as m log a. Correct? M log a. So I can say 2 log 2 base 3. So I can write this as x is equal to 2x log 2 base 3 minus of 2 log 2 base 3. 2 log 2 base 3. So I can write this as 2 log 2 base 3 that is equal to 2x log 2 base 3 minus of x, which can be written as x, take out common, 2 log 2 base 3 minus 1, that is equal to 2 log 2 base 3. So I can say 2 log 2 base 3 divided by 2 log 2 base 3 minus 1, that is equal to x. Now if I divide this by 2 log 2 base 3, I'll get 1 minus 1 divided by 2 log 2 base 3. Correct or not? That is equal to x. That is equal to x. That is equal to x. Yes. So we can write, we'll write like this. This is equal to 1 divided by 2 minus of. See this part, I'll take the LCM here. Okay. So I can write this log 2 base 3. Look here. Log a base b can be written as 1 divided by log of b base a. Correct or not? When you take the reciprocal, change of base rule you apply, take the reciprocal, number and the base will interchange. So I can write, after taking the LCM here with the 2, I can say 2 log 3 base 2 whole divided by 2. So your answer to the question will be 2 divided by 2 minus log 3 base 2 will be the answer to the question, which corresponds to the option number B. See, this is one very important question which was asked in the JEE advanced. Very important question. One question from log. Can you see the importance of log? So study it correctly. Yes.